our first video. So this is what we have to do. Take 1 scoop of some of this spinach that you already saw. If you want, you have to. And then add 2 of these kiwis. Okay, add 2 of the kiwis.
This is not kiwi.
I'm sorry. I mean avocado. And take some salt and just dump it right in. Add the chili if you would like. Just dump it in. And what the mushrooms, my dad will help you with that. So and then we have to. So I don't.
No, that is for frying your.
This is for frying your mushrooms. So this is so. Then we have to. For 11 minutes, we have to put on our noodles. Since my dad already put mine on, ours it's for 11 minutes. Already ours. So you guys can start what you're doing and wait for 11 minutes, and then we can start the video for our third video. Okay, so bye.